Good everyone, I welcome you all to this video. To my new and old subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to edit this kind of cloth transition effect. Alright, it is very simple, it's very awesome. All you just need to do is to pay attention to this video. Pay attention in details, very important. Before we go into the video, first of all, what you need for this video, you need two applications. As a video editor, you also need other applications to help you do some things. Alright, most especially for those of us that do not have access to the pro features on CapCut, because we are going to be using CapCut in this video, right? So you need two apps to get this transition done. Right now, the first app you are going to be needing for this tutorial, you all know it's CapCut, right? So we have CapCut here, which is this. The second app I want you to download on your phone right now, it is what? Photoroom. Can you see this Photoroom? Now this is Photoroom. We are going to be using this Photoroom to make some manipulation in this training. So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, all you just need to do is to go back to new project, and select your video. So I already have my video selected. Now, first of all, I want you to pay close attention. This is how you are going to shot this video. Good. Now, this is how you are going to shot this video. Please pay attention to this video. So you are going to come like this. You are going to make your first action. Can you see? I'm going to jump up right now. You will see I'm going to jump up. Jump up. Good. Once you jump up, you leave the scene. You go and put on another clothes and do the same thing. Good. So you also leave the scene and put the next clothes and jump up. Good. So the last one, which is the shoe. Good. I'm also going to jump up. Make sure you maintain that same position. All right. Can you see where I stand? Make sure all the actions should be at that same spot. Don't change spot, please, so that this transition will be smooth. All right. So once you jump up, can you see that same spot? As you can see, I use that same. Can you see? I use that same spot. So this is how to shot this video. So once you are done, please, I want you to pay close attention to this video. So once you are done, so let's start with our editing. First of all, let me reduce the background noise, which is I want to mute it. Mute. Good. Once I mute it, so I'm going to split from here, split here, and delete this one. So I don't need this. Go back to delete. Select and delete. Good. So now I want to jump up. Now that point that I jump up, good. At this point, I'm going to select it and go over to freeze. At this point that I jumped up, that I'm on the air, right? I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to freeze it. Can you see freeze? Select freeze. Good. Once you freeze it, automatically it's going to turn into an image. It's still image. It's going to be like this. Can you see? Good. So it has turned into an image. So you're going to move forward. So I'm going to look for the second part in which I put on my clothes, the other clothes that I jumped up. Good. So I'm going to jump up. Good. Immediately I jump up again, I'm going to freeze it again. Select it and go over to freeze. Freeze. So once I freeze it, you see this video here, I'm going to delete it. I don't need it again. Delete. So we are going to have this, also going to have this. So let's move to the next one, which is where I wear the jacket. So at that point that I jumped up, please, I want you to pay attention. That point I jumped up. Can you see? Select it. You're going to freeze it again. Freeze. Freeze. So I don't need this. All right. Delete it. Delete. So we have this. We have this jacket. The last one, which is the shoe. So let's go forward. That point I jumped up. Is it? Good. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to freeze it. Freeze. I believe you are following. Freeze. So once you freeze it, you are going to delete this mid. I don't need it. Delete. Good. So you are going to have it like this. Can you see? So the next thing you are going to do, the last part is I just need to split from here, split and delete the rest. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to reduce this freeze. This freeze is 3.0 seconds. I'm going to reduce it to 0.6 or 0.5. So let me reduce it to 0.6, 0.6, everything 0.6, 0.6, 0.6. Can you see 0.6? So you are going to have it like this. So I need to split from here, split, delete, delete. So let's check it out. Can you see? Good. It's going to be like this. Please, if you do not understand this video, you just need to go back to the beginning and watch it again. Use your two fingers to expand it. Okay, select this first one where I jumped up, right? This is where I want the transition to come out. So I'm going to select the second one. Let's leave this first one. Now select the second one. All right, and you're going to come over here. I want it to be in full screen. So you're going to tap on this place. So you're going to screenshot everything. So you screenshot it one after the other. So this is it. So you screenshot it, go back, select the second one, go over to full screen. I'm going to screenshot it too. So go back, next one, which is this, I'm going to screenshot it again, full screen, screenshot. Good. So we have the three. So once you are done with that, all you just need to do is to go over to your photo room, select your photo room. So once your photo room opened, go over to start. You now select this one. So automatically it's going to remove the background. Please pay close attention. So once it's removed, as you can see, it remove the background. Now you are going to select, can you see cutout? Select cutout. So once you select cutout, I just want to remove the cloth only. All right, so you're just going to swipe it like this. It's going to remove the trouser. Can you see it remains the cloth? So you're going to click on done. So once you click on done, go over to transparent. So you are going to export it. Export. All right, so I've removed the clothes. The next one is let's add this. I want the remove the leg so that it will remain only the jacket. So which is this is this. Good to remove the background, go back to cutout. So just swipe it like this. I just need only the jacket. Can you see we have only the jacket? All you just need to do is to click on what? Done. The first one is the jersey, the second one is the jacket, the third one is what? Is the shoe. Right, go back to transparent and go over to what? Export. Good. Go back to export, click on done. So the next one is to go over to new design. So let's select the last one. We just need only the shoe, right? So if you need only the shoe, go over to cutout. So I want only the shoe, so just swap on it like this. So go over to restore. So you go over to manual. So you can reduce the brush size, right? So go over to erase again. So you can just, let's see. I just need only the shoe. Can you see? I need only the shoe. So I think I'm okay like this. Just take your time, make sure it is well removed, right? So click on done. I'm going to go over the transparency. I'm going to export it. Good. So once you are done with that, you already have your theory picture like that. So you go back to your CapCut. So go back to your CapCut. So you are going to add all the theory as overlay. Now the first one we want, which is this clothes. So we are going to come over here. Can you see this line you are seeing? As you can see, it's close to where it transits to this clothes. So you are going to come here. You are going to go over to overlay. You are going to add overlay. Go to photos. So the first one is the clothes, which is this. I'm going to add this. So once you add this, you're going to come over to this one. Make sure you expand it so that it fits into the normal dress here. Can you see? Adjust it very well. Good. Can you see? So what you are going to do, you are going to adjust this one back. I want the transition to happen. As you can see, the transition supposed to happen between this line. Okay, the transition should happen before it gets to this image here. I hope you get my point. Now this is what we're going to use our two finger to extend it a little bit. Now this is what we're going to do. So we have already fit in this image that we just removed the background. We've already fit into this one here, so it's fine. So we are going to select this. You are going to give it a keyframe. At the end, though, you are going to give it a keyframe. Automatically the keyframe has been set. You are going to move it back like this. So what you are going to do, you are going to take this one off the video. All right, so you are going to have it like this. Can you see the transition? Good. So this is how to do this. So you are going to repeat the same thing in all of the transition. So the next one is the jacket. So you're going to come over here. Before you get to this place where I wear the jacket, you are going to add it as overlay. Add the jacket. Can you see the jacket? Add. So you are going to come over here so that you set it very well. Good. I've set it now. So you are going to adjust this one back to 30 seconds, 0.3 seconds, 0.3. So you are going to move it back. Make sure it is before this transition, right? So you are going to give it a keyframe and move it back like this. You are going to take it. Let's take it up. So you are going to have it like this. Can you see? It is very simple. So let's move to the last one, add as overlay, which is the shoe. Let's add the shoe, add. So we are going to come over here. You're going to use your two fingers to extend it. Make sure it fits into the size of the shoe. Good. So you are going to adjust this one back. Adjust it back like this. So this one should be 0.3 seconds, right? So the transition should be before I wear the shoe. That is when the transition should happen. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, give it a keyframe, you're going to move it back, so you're going to move the shoe out of the scene. Use it. So you're going to have it like this. Can you see? Good. So once you are done with that, you can now add your sound. As you can see, it is very simple. Just follow the simple process and you are going to get it right. So if you want to add your sound, go over to audio, go over to sound. So go over to this your audio. So let's look for our sound. Good. Add this sound. First of all, let me split out to this part. Split and delete. Yeah, delete. So move this one back. So extend it. I want it to go in line with the beat. So let's make it. Can you see? Split here, delete. So this is how to edit this video. Alright, it is very simple. If you do not understand this video, all you just need to do is to go back and watch the video again. Don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible. Drop your comments on what you feel about this video, and don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button right now. Once you are done, just come over here, increase the resolution to 1080p or 4K and export your video. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next tutorial.